The Tokyo Olympics are now just weeks away and shooting will continue to remain India's biggest bet for a record medal haul. But there are others as well who've given good reasons for us to hope that India will return home with possibly its biggest ever medal count. Here's a look at these prime contenders who will have a billion hopes and expectations riding on them.
At the Tokyo Olympics, India could well end up with more than one medal on the first day itself. Not just the shooters, weightlifter Mirabai Chanu, a strong medal bet for India, will also be in action on the first day of the competition. The 2017 world champion recently scripted a world record in clean and jerk in the 49 kg category. In a weight class, there are two Chinese and a North Korean ahead of her who've lifted more than 200 kgs. At the Olympics, there will be no participation from North Korea, while only one Chinese will be able to compete, making Mirabai a strong. Wrestling has fetched India at least one medal at every Olympic Games since 2008, and this year again, the expectations are high. Vinesh Fogart, who had to pull out after a knee injury during her quarter-final bout at Rio, will have more than just a chance to win a medal this time. Bajrang Punia has a strong field to deal with, but the ace grappler's big match pedigree puts him in contention to win a medal at his maiden Olympic appearance. Bajrang is one of India's most decorated wrestlers and has won medals at every major competition, including 3 World Championship medals. The Indian ace has been putting in all the hard yards in Russia before he begins his quest for a medal in Tokyo. PV Sindhu will once again drive the expectations in Tokyo, and this time the reigning world champion would look to go one better. The 2016 Rio Olympics silver medalist hasn't won anything since her world title in 2019, but she is known to be a big match player. What further tilts scales in Sindhu's favor is the fact that reigning champion Carolina Marin is out with an injury. In Marin's absence, Tai Tzu Ying of Chinese Taipei and 2 Japanese girls, Okuhara and Yamaguchi, will be her major threats. One medal that the country has always been yearning for at the Olympics is in athletics. Finally, javelin thrower Neeraj Chopra is someone who gives hope to end that long wait. The Indian ace, who narrowly missed out on his maiden appearance at the Olympics in Rio, is a strong contender and is currently at the 4th spot in the season rankings with a best throw of 88.07 meters, with German Johannes Vetter a clear favourite to win the gold. Surely, going by the form and his ever-improving record, despite being grounded during the pandemic, Neeraj Chopra will be in with more than just a decent chance in Tokyo this time. Boxing will also be one of India's big medal hope, with old war horse MC Mary Kom gunning for a 2nd Olympic medal. As many as 9 boxers have qualified for the Tokyo Games, and alongside Mary Kom, who got a bronze in London 9 years ago, Amit Pangal will enter the ring as the #1 ranked boxer in the 52 kg category. A lot will depend on the draw for the boxers, but Mary Kom and Amit Pangal will have hopes riding on them when they step into the ring. Last but not the least will be a more experienced Deepika Kumari, who will once again have to fight out her big stage demons in the archery competition. She will be the lone Indian in the women's category, but will also be the best bet to fetch a medal, especially after a recent success in the 3rd stage of the Archery World Cup, where she won 3 gold medals. Every Olympic Games throws some new names and new champions aboard. More names will make their presence count this time too, and if everything goes according to the plan, this could be another watershed moment in the history of Indian sports. Sports Bureau, India Today.
And for more details and updates on the Tokyo Olympics, you can log on to our website indiatoday.in.